Hello, English Go-Getter, and welcome to the first quiz in our present simple common verbs series. And now, before we start, let's go over the instructions. So you are going to read the sentence, choose the correct answer. Now remember, you have 5 seconds and then the answer will appear. Question 1. And the correct answer is letter A. She plays football every Sunday afternoon. Question 2. And the correct answer is letter B. They eat pizza every Friday. Question 3. And the correct answer is letter B. He takes the bus to school. Question 4. And the correct answer is letter C. We study English every day. Question 5. And the correct answer is letter C. My father watches TV in the evenings. Question 6. And the correct answer is letter A. She listens to music after school. Question 7. And the correct answer is letter A. They play basketball at the park. Question 8. And the correct answer is letter C. He drinks coffee in the mornings. Question 9. And the correct answer is letter B. We do our homework before dinner. Question 10. And the correct answer is letter C. My sister reads mystery books. Hey, English Go-Getter, you're halfway done. What? Keep going because you're doing great. Question 11. And the correct answer is letter B. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Question 12. The correct answer is letter B. She loves chocolate cake. Question 13. The correct answer is letter A. They live in a small town. Question 14. The correct answer is letter C. He works in an office. Question 15. And the correct answer is letter A. We walk in the park on Sundays. Question 16. And the correct answer is letter B. My brother rides his bike to the park. Question 17. The correct answer is letter C. She drinks orange juice in the mornings. Question 18. And the correct answer is letter C. They swim in the pool. Question 19. And the correct answer is letter A. Grace bakes apple pies in the fall. Question 20. And the correct answer is letter A. Nate works at the bank on Maple Avenue. You did it, English Go-Getter. You finished the quiz. And how did you do, English Go-Getter? Feel free to share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.